Welcome. How to remove noise from your audio in Camtasia. Right? In screen you are seeing in track 2 there is one audio. Right? So let's play it. Welcome. Here is normal chart with this data. You are getting that noise in this audio, right? Now, to remove the noise, find the audio effects in left panel. In my case, it is here. If it is not showing here, then click more and find it here, right? You can see here noise removal. Click it, drag and drop it in your audio, right? Effect is added. You can confirm that by clicking this one. So effects, you are seeing a noise removal. And to see the properties, you can right click it, and right now I clicked hide properties. Again right click, show properties. You can see here in right side, noise removal is the effect and sensitivity is 0, amount is 20. You can change it, right? You can add it, increase it, or you can decrease it, right? So before doing that, let's play and listen to the audio again. Welcome. Here is normal chart. The noise is removed, right? So also you can play with these noise removal properties. Sensitivity, you can increase it and check it with this data. You can also change the amount, right? A1 to A8. So in this way you can remove noise from your audio in Camtasia. In any confusion, comment and let me know. Thank you very much for watching.